welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to learn how to remove shadow and a shot. And this shot, we got this beautiful composition with the light. This is the top one. It's not visible, yes, but the effect is visible. But we got the key light. There's a big problem here because it creates a shadow that we don't want. So how to remove it? I can place this softbox on my light, and maybe, I said maybe, it's about our composition on the softbox, because here you can see this key here. It's remove automatic shadow. We will use it. And yes, magically we have this shadow removed. But if you come closer, you can come closer, you will see a little bit on the background. There is some shadow. It's here. Yes, it's not visible. It's not very visible, but it's here. And we don't need that. We have to remove everything. For that, I will show you a new tips. And we see our shadow. And then we will take this light a little bit closer to our subject. Let's say right here. And we will make this magic trick, it's rotate. We will rotate our light. Automatically, you see. So we put our light on top, and then look at this. There's no shadow anymore. You can see here. So it's completely removed. There's no shadow. So it's very easy to remove shadow and our shot. You just need to know how to, and for that,
subscribe. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe.
You have to subscribe.